posting too much content. At times, you need less content, but posting quality content for high value and for a potential market or your market to take certain action steps. I've been guilty of this for a long period of time, just being a exceptionally good poster with no action steps for my potential market to take. And yes, we all start there and flop many and many times. And this is how you can correct course along the way by following this principle or formula: PSA: problem, solution, answer. Answer: CTA, or irresistible offer driving traffic to take certain action steps. That is the last framework or strategy. The first strategy is problem. You need to say something, state a personal story or a problem. For example, hey, are you struggling to generate leads? The solution would be: would you love to generate leads in 7 days' time with a proven program? And now you're starting with your CTA. Drop a comment ready and I'll share my program with you. Do consider liking this video, saving this video. Each and every day I document videos just for you. That is a actionable video. You are documenting relevant content to solve a problem, and your market can take a certain action step. This way, you are documenting quality content with a purpose for a potential prospect to take a certain action step that can dial the needle closer for you to generate leads and to convert those leads into paying customers, to nurture more leads, having that email sequences, and creating more awareness for other alternative prospects to make a buying decision at a future date and time. That is a actionable video or a quality video you should document, having your formula in place. Remember, business in the past, present, and in the future is formula based models, principles that are integrated with formulas. So when you follow that principle, that structure, that formula, that guideline, you are bound at a certain period of time to see results. Where you put your focus is where you get your results. Thank you and you're welcome.